Okay, we're going to factorize this trinomial, quadratic trinomial. So it's a quadratic because of the squared and trinomial because of the three terms. And I'm going to use the cross method to factorize it. So with the cross method, we place a big cross like so. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find factors of x squared, which is pretty much x times x would give us x squared. And then we're going to find factors of negative 18. So we could have a couple of factors. You could have negative 3 times 6, you could have negative 1 times 18, 2 times negative 9, and so on. So if you first have a go, so maybe say you went to go try negative 3 by 6, positive 6. So what you do is you multiply these numbers together. So I've got 6 times x, which would be 6x, and then I have x times negative 3, which is negative 3x. And what we do is we add these terms and we hope that we get the term in the middle. But if you add 6x plus negative 3x, that equals 3x. So that's not the term in the middle. So you have to try another set of factors. So if we go to do that, so I'll start again. So I'm cross method, I'm going to get factors of x squared, x and x, and I'm going to try this factor here, 2 to negative 9. Now if we do, so we times, we get x times negative 9 is negative 9x, then x times 2, you get 2x. They add together, and yes, they give the term in the middle. So if you add and you get the term in the middle, you then know that your brackets are across like that. So you'd have x thing. So if we were factorizing this, it would be x plus 2 and x minus 9. All right. Okay, so today we're going to give this quadratic a go using the cross method. So first of all, we're going to get factors of the 3x squared. So we could use 3x times x, and then I'm going to find factors of 2, positive 2. So I'm going to say 2 times 1. Now if we test them, we've got 3x times 1 would be 3x, and x times 2 is 2x. Now if we have a look and we add them, that does not give the middle term. So, and if we have a look, the middle term is a negative term. So that suggests to me I probably want to change my 2's maybe to a negative by a negative that way. And we could also swap these ones around. So if we give that a go, so do the cross, and I'm going to change it to have the 1 up here and the 2 down here, and I'm going to use negative 2 and negative 1 because negative 1 times negative 2 still gives a positive 2 answer. Now if we test them, so if we go 3x times negative 2, that's negative 6x, and then if we go x times negative 1, we get negative x. Now if we add these, yes, we're getting the term in the middle. So now we know that these are our brackets. So this factorizes to 3x minus 1 and x minus 2. So you could see it made a difference which one went on the top and which one went on the bottom. So you might have to play around with your combinations when you're working it out. Okay, let's give this one a go. So I'm going to do the cross method. Factors of 5x squared are 5x by x. And then I'm looking at factors of 12. Because I need a fairly big number there, I might do, if I have, I'll try 2 times 6 maybe. But if we check this one out, we've got 10x plus 6x. Now they don't add to that, so I'm going to try another combination. So maybe I might try, I might try 3 times 4. So if we test that one out, 5x times 4 is 20x, and x times 3 is 3x, and there we have it. If we add it, we get the 23. So we now know that these are our brackets. Remember, that's assumed a plus there. So this one would factorize to 5x squared plus 3, oh sorry, not 5x squared, 5x plus 3 and x plus 4. Okay.